Ocean. Today, we're at Jungle Gyms. This is one of my favorite stores because it has so many things. It has things from Asia, it has things from Europe, it has things from America. It has so many things. So, this is the Indian section. This isn't the whole Indian section. This is just all the cookies. We like cookies. But we discovered these cookies. They're 25 cents. And we discovered them while we were coming here for snacks for school. And
they're super good, huh?
yes. But also, I wanted to try some of these. These look kind of good too.
What's the label say?
Chocolate cookies. Fat chocolate cookies. So I found these things called Bing Bings. And they look super interesting. This one's the one that we're thinking about getting. It is cone snack with strawberry flavored filling. And then there are these that look cool. They kind of look like astronaut ice cream. If you don't know what astronaut ice cream is, it's freeze-dried ice cream and it's super good. It's like crunchy kind of. And we are going to try both of these. We're going to try the strawberry Bing Bangs and these. So, I'm guessing kimchi is probably popular. There's a whole section for it. So these are Doritos. And I haven't tried all the flavors, but I love these so much. I'll tell you the flavors that I have tried though. I've tried orange. I've tried lime, guava. I haven't tried fruit punch. Let's try the grapefruit. I think that'll be good. Did you know that Jungle Gyms has over 1,400 different types of hot sauce? But I don't really like hot sauce. Let's go. My favorite part, the produce. What are these? Let's try them. So this is a pino melon. I've never tried this.
Pino melon?
Pino melon.
Pepino? P-E-P-I-N-O?
Yeah. Pepino melon. I couldn't say it. These are kumquats.
Should we try a couple of those?
Orange looking things. Huh?
Should we try a couple of those?
Yeah, we should try. Just found red bananas. Let's try them.
Cute little ones.
Yeah, they're little ones. And this is my sister's favorite part. Cheese. Let's go try our food from Jungle Gym. So now we're gonna be taste testing all the food. And we have Penny joining us.
Let's try these little cookies first.
No, I hate those. I hate those too.
You've never had them.
Let's try them.
Okay.
Let's try them. Can we try things out? Can we things out? Are you okay?
What do you think, Pen?
I told you I didn't like these.
What do they taste like?
They taste like if little buns were really sweet and kind of gritty and crunchy. Tastes kind of like a bun.
They're called Tamago Boro cookies. It says this cookie are soft and airy texture. Interesting.
Okay.
Penny, you ready for the next one?
We lost a taster. Okay, next
Couldn't
one.
even make it through.
We are going to do kumquat. I'm kind of scared because they're like supposedly like little oranges, but you have to eat the skin.
I read the skin is where a lot of the sweetness comes from, and the juice inside is very sour.
I'm just gonna
So you eat them whole.
I'm just gonna take a bite of half.
What does it taste like? Maybe not terrible. Okay, maybe terrible.
Maybe terrible. I don't like the skin. The inside just tastes like a lemon. If you've ever tried an orange skin, that's what it kind of tastes like. has the same texture, and it kind of tastes like it. But inside just tastes like a lemon.
Not a fan. Thumbs up, thumbs down?
There, in the middle.
All right.
Next, we're going to try enoki mushrooms. These are look, the tops look like baby mushrooms.
I've never tried these before.
So how do you eat them? Do you just eat the top?
Yeah, just like a mushroom.
I like mushrooms, just by itself. So, do we eat the peel?
Yeah.
Stuff?
We cut off the roots, so.
Tastes just like a tiny mushroom.
Do you like them?
I do. Gives a thumbs up. This is a pepino melon. On the inside, it kind of looks like a cantaloupe, but on the outside, it looks like a radish potato thing.
Pretty purple stripes though.
Yeah. So, online it says the whole thing's edible,
So
but the skin might be a little tough. So the seeds. So are these seeds?
Even the seeds, yeah.
Wow.
But if you want to eat around them, that's okay.
I'm gonna eat around them for now.
What's it taste like?
Very soft cantaloupe. It really just tastes like kind of cantaloupe, but it kind of lost some of its flavor.
Bland.
And
Cantaloupe.
bland
It's
cantaloupe.
soft.
Cantaloupe, and it's really soft. See, if you could see, it's super easy. See? Yeah, it just squishes kind of. But that's cool.
All right. Thumbs up, thumbs down, something.
It's gonna be like it's up,
Slightly up.
slightly up. We got a bunch of these red bananas,
They're little.
and they're little. This is what the inside looks like. It has a very
Looks like a
thick
banana.
peel. Looks like a banana, but as you can see, our bananas, they don't have a very thick peel like this. Like that's
It's hard
almost
to
like,
peel.
yeah, because like if you try to peel it, it's only this stuff that's coming off.
Maybe they're not right.
We don't know.
We'll try it.
But this is what it looks like with no peel, and I'm gonna try it. I don't know if it's gonna taste good. It's not even soft. It's just dry. It dries out your mouth. Are these
Thumbs up then,
edible?
right?
Are these edible?
Yeah. One thumb down, two thumbs down.
Oh, 8 thumbs down.
Okay. Kumquat eater. Eat it, eat it, eat it.
Ooh.
Chomp it down.
Okay. Penny did not
Kumquat's
like
not a fan.
kumquat. Not a fan. So this is the grapefruit harito. And
Cleanse your palate a little bit.
so it's green apparently. Or I don't know if that's
Or
just
maybe it's
reflecting
just
from
kinda
the
whitish.
bottom. Okay, now let's see.
Let's see as you pour it. Oh, yep, just kind of clear, white. Dad's snacking over here.
Super fizzy. What are you eating?
Tiny little
Oh, I
cookies.
don't like the tiny cookies. Not a fan. So this is kind of like, it looks like it's kind of cloudy.
Mm-hmm. What flavor is it? You remember? I remember
Grapefruit.
a piece of it. Okay.
So I'm really interested in this because
You love
if you
grapefruit.
watch the rest of the video, or if you watch before the video, I haven't tried this flavor yet.
But you like all the others.
Yeah, I do. My favorite is orange. I don't know if I said that already. Just kind of tastes like, it could be orange. Kind of tastes like it could
Citrusy.
be an orange flavor. It tastes really citrusy. Doesn't quite taste like grapefruit though. Can't expect it to taste like grapefruit though.
Like it? Not like it?
I'll give this a thumbs up.
Yeah.
It was good.
Not your favorite flavor, but still good.
Yeah.
Dad's verdict on the tiny little cookies.
These are Fab cookies, and apparently they're chocolate flavored. Okay, I'm holding them up right.
Like a sandwich cookie.
They smell like very chocolatey Teddy Grahams. The chocolate Teddy Grahams, though. Let's try them. You want to go first? So the cookie, it's very, very soft for a cookie. It's not like it's very
crumbly?
It's not. Yeah, it's crumbly. Like it doesn't have a big snap, and the filling kind of just tastes like melted milk chocolate. It's really good though. I can't give this a no.
Would
So
recommend.
yes, yes, definitely. Very good. Yeah.
Yep.
Yeah.
What is it?
This is a cone snack with strawberry flavored filling. These are called Bing Bings. I'm very excited to try them because the box looks very, very appetizing. I'm excited to eat these.
I love pink. What
perfect.
if I got a small one?
They're all small.
Not all.
They taste like wafers.
Does it taste like ice cream?
Mmm.
They basically taste like wafers.
Like wafer cookies?
This is more filling, obviously.
Show it off.
What?
You a fan? You like it, Pen? What flavor is it? What's the flavor like?
So on the package it says strawberry.
Does it taste like strawberry to you?
Tastes like artificial strawberry, but
What
I give it a thumbs up. What do you give it? This is called Capsico. We have no clue what it is. It just looked kind of cool.
I don't want to try that.
This looks
Okay.
super cool. You don't have to try it. Do you just like those? So I don't. These feel like chocolate. Tell you how they are.
I don't want that anymore.
Do you want to try one of the star candies?
Stop.
They're chocolate. It tastes basically like chocolate.
But Penny doesn't like chocolate.
I do like chocolate.
Oh, you do? What do you think, Maddie? What's it taste like?
This.
Tastes like.
What? It popped right out.
No, it just tastes like chocolate.
Good? Thumbs up, thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Pen? Thumbs up, thumbs down.
Thumbs up.
Thanks for watching Maddie Motion. Bye.